everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are doing great to your life and you have enjoyed a lot on this Diwali, and I have also enjoyed a lot on this Diwali. So today I am again back with yet another video, but before that, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I am Diganta. Welcome to my channel Supi Styling. I would love it if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the most important part of our skincare, which is sunscreen. Sunscreen is, that part of our skincare which we should not forget any time. If you forget to apply face wash, if you forget to apply any other skincare, it doesn't matter. But if you forget to apply sunscreen, it will matter a lot. You must have heard that from other YouTubers or other people that you must apply a sunscreen, and I have been telling this on most of my videos that you should apply a sunscreen because without sunscreen nothing will work on your skin. You have to apply a sunscreen throughout the year. It doesn't matter if it's winter, if it's monsoon, if it's summer. Obviously in summer you should be applying a sunscreen, but we always feel like it is winter or sun is not there, we should not apply the sunscreen, or it is raining outside, we should not apply the sunscreen. No, it is not like that. Even when I was a teenager, I didn't apply a sunscreen if it was raining outside, which was a mistake. So I want you not to make this mistake. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 2 sunscreen. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So the first product that I have is this Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion. This comes with a plastic cardboard packaging, not plastic packaging, cardboard packaging, which I have lost, so I can't show you. This is for normal to sensitive skin. This has an SPF of 30 with all natural minerals line. As it is for normal to sensitive skin, you can't use that on summer if you have oily skin, and you know that I have oily skin if you have seen my other videos. But I mistakenly bought this and I saved it for winters, and now winter has come, so it is time to use that. As it has SPF 30, so it is very much good for winters, because in summers SPF 30 doesn't really work. You should be applying more SPF, like SPF 40 or 50 or SPF 60. So I use this only on winters, and as it is for normal to sensitive skin, it tends to make my skin more oily if I apply this during summer. And now I am showing you, I am applying this. I have not applied anything on my face, so I'm gonna apply this to this side of my face, and I'm gonna show you the texture also. This is so much runny in texture. You can see right here, see, it has a cream-like consistency. So I'm gonna apply this to this side of my face. So you have to take a pea-size amount if you're going out. So apply on your neck, like the foundations that you apply on your neck. And you can also apply this to any exposed area that you want. So you have to apply any sunscreen before you're going out, at least before 30 minutes. So you can see that it gives an oily look, you can see, I hope. So I can't use that during summer, but it is definitely very good for winters. Can you see the difference? It gives an oily look. So if you have dry skin, then you can definitely apply this during summer also. Now let's come to the price. So this product retails for 325 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years, and it says that reapply every 90 minutes and every 30 minutes if you are doing anything active that's causing you to work up a sweat, and always after swimming. And this is free from paraben, harsh chemicals, alcohol and artificial fragrance, and the fragrance of this product is really soothing, and it has not sharp fragrance, you can say, but has a very mild fragrance, which I love. And it says that this is non-greasy, but I guess this is kind of greasy. You can see the difference on my face. So yeah, let's come to the second one. So the second sunscreen that I have is this Kea Umbrella Sunscreen Lotion. This has an SPF of 60 and it has PA+++ and it's sun defense formula. This is also for all skin types, and it really works amazing on your skin. Trust me, I'm gonna show you. This has a thicker consistency than the previous one. Let me show you. So you can see that like this. Now I'm gonna apply this and it gives a matte finish. But during summer it will make your skin a little bit oily, but you have to give it few minutes to set down on your skin. And the smell of this product, oh my god, so much good. I really love the smell of this product. Now you can see. The price of this product is 439 rupees, and it is 100 ml product, and the previous one is also 100 ml product. So this has an SPF of 60, what you can do, you can apply this during summer because SPF 60 is very much good for summer, you know. But winters you can definitely go for lesser SPF, which any sunscreen that has lesser SPF. Though I really don't know everything about sunscreen, but you know, there are physical sunscreens and chemical sunscreen. I really don't know anything about that. All I know is I just have to apply a sunscreen, any sunscreen that is available for me. Now you can see that it has given me a matte finish while this is still oily and my under eyes are oily. So that was my little review and little suggestions for you, so that I can convince you to apply sunscreen, because you know, I have seen many people who do not apply sunscreen because it makes the skin very oily, and they just apply the sunscreen just 5 minutes before they're going out. So the sunscreen is not getting proper time to get absorbed onto your skin. So you just have to give it few minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes, to set it down properly on your skin, then you can go out. Otherwise, if you apply before 5 minutes you're going out, it will make your skin oily, and if you go out after that, your skin will definitely become more oily. And I have one suggestion for you, which is you can also buy this product. This is a sunscreen powder that I have been using since 2016, and this works best. This is a Kea Umbrella powder. It comes with 2 SPF. One has SPF 25 and one has maybe SPF 50. I have not used the SPF 51, but I have definitely applied the SPF 25 one, and this works best. And so this was my small review and small suggestions for you for sunscreen. I have mentioned 2 products, and I will share the links of this product in the description box so that you can go and check. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely come back with another one. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, keep smiling, stay safe. Ta-da.